Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to see about the tooltip in a Power BI. Tooltip is an important feature in a Power BI. With the help of that, we can show extra information in that particular chart or visual. Let's take example. So I'll open my Power BI. So this is the Power BI we have created, right? Now if I will hover any of the chart, suppose this is the chart, if I will hover, you can see order date is 2017 and sum of sales it is showing, right? Similarly here if I will hover, order date is 2019 and the sum of sales is showing. So this sum of sales, whatever, whenever we are hovering any of the chart, right, you can see this information. This is nothing but this is a tooltip. Now as of now here you can see sum of sales, and based on the year actually we can see in the tooltip. Now business wants, they also want to have sum of profit by year, the same chart. So instead of showing the separate chart, what actually we can do, in a tooltip itself we can show the profit. Like if I will hover 2016, it is saying like sum of sales is this many. I want to also show the sum of profit. So how actually we can add that? So for that we will use a tooltip. So what you have to do, select this particular chart. Now in this particular chart, if you will see, right, here you get one option, tooltips. Now suppose if I'll add in the tooltips profit also, sum of profit also if I'll add in the tooltip. Now if I'll hover this, you can see now it is showing the sum of sales and the sum of profit. So instead of showing the separate chart, because this page is already blocked, right? So you can, what you can do, in a tooltip also you can show this all the information. Similarly here you can see sum of sales. If you will hover anywhere, it is saying the sum of sales based on the quarter, right? Now if you want to see only if you want to see profit also, so click this, you will see tooltip option. Profit also you want to see, add that. And suppose you want to see the order also, so we have order ID, just drag this. Now it is showing the first of order ID, but I want the count of order ID, so I will use count of distinct order ID. Now if I will hover anywhere, right, you can see it is showing the sum of sales, sum of profit, as well as the count of order ID. On the here it will show only the sum of sales, but here, right, if you will hover, then it will show the other information also. So that is the use of the tooltip, means you can show the extra information. Now suppose your business is saying like, if I will hover, then one chart should show. Instead of showing this instead of showing this sum of profit, what actually they want to see a separate chart. So how actually you can show that? So what we'll do, we'll create one extra page. Suppose this is the page we have created. Now what business wants, whenever I will hover here, this particular chart actually they want to see. So how actually I can make that? So you have created this particular page, right? So click on that particular page, or you have created any of the page. Once you'll click that, you can see here we have one option like format. This in page information you have to go. You can see allow use as a tooltips. So click on. Once you'll click on, right, now go to the global. Now whenever what actually business wants, whenever I will hover here, that particular chart it should show. So click on this particular chart, click on this, go to the format. Here we have one option general, click on that. You can see tooltips, so click on that. Now you can see by default the page is a auto, but suppose this page one also we want, right? So click on the page one. Once you click on this page one, right, now if you'll hover here, you can see that particular chart itself it is showing. That particular chart itself is showing. Means in a tooltip also you can show any other page also. So that kind of the flexibility also we get. Suppose this is the page 2. This particular page you want to show, if you will hover anywhere in this particular chart. So what you can do, click on the page 2, go to the page information, make the allow use as a tooltip, go to the here, click on this. Now after that, go to the general, go to the tooltip option, page, make it as a page 2. Now if you will hover anywhere here, right, that particular page it will show. That particular page will be shown to you. For the email you want to see details for epoch you want to see the details, you can see from this particular chart. So like that actually we can add any other page into the tooltip itself. So I hope you got the idea how actually we can add a tooltip, and this is a very useful feature. So I hope you got the idea. Please do practice.